This is the second part of topic D on page 30 with the clipboard task pane.
Let's see. I'm going to switch over to my example 2 document just because I have some short text here. So if you want to take text that you already have in your document and you want to use it in another place in your document as well. Let's just say my name, for example. Need to select my text, go up to my Home tab, and in my clipboard command group, I have paste, cut, and copy commands that we'll take a look at right now. So if I wanted to keep this text here and use it in an additional spot as well, I can hit my copy command. And this places it in kind of like a holding place that we call our clipboard. And then I could go and put my cursor where I wanted to paste this into as well. And in my clipboard command group, hit my paste command, which is my clipboard icon. And you can see it paste my name there. Now, just because I pasted it once doesn't mean it's taken off my clipboard. I can paste that multiple times because that's the last thing I copied. Now, if I wanted to remove something and put it somewhere else, let's say bar PC's address, select the text, select the cut command. You can see it takes it out there. Now I can put my cursor where I want to move it to, hit paste. Okay? So copy, that will do that. Make a copy of it and you can put it in another location. Cut will remove it and then you can put it in another location. If you have, let's say, formatting, let's take the city, state, and zip here. And I'm going to bold this out. I'll make it red and I'm going to increase the font size. Now, if I copied this to my clipboard, so it's going to keep the original here, but I wanted to place it in another spot as well. But I don't want it in that red text, in that size font and bold it out. My paste drop down arrow here, you have different paste options. Your default is going to keep it exactly how it is. So that's if you actually hit the clipboard icon. But if you choose your paste options drop down, you have the option to keep source formatting. That's going to keep it exactly the same. You have your merge formatting. That removed the color and the size, but it's still bolded out, you can see. And then your third option is just to keep the text. That strips all the formatting off of it. You can see no bolding, no red, no larger font color, just the text it pasted over. So you'll have different paste options if you hit that drop down arrow. Another way to cut and paste, I know I'm getting kind of crazy with my text here, but let's say I wanted to move this red Toms River, New Jersey down to a new line here. I'm going to make a new paragraph marker here. I select the text, and if I hover over any part of that gray selection and hold down my left mouse key and move my cursor, you can see I get that dark bar there. That's telling me where the text is going to be dropped. When I let go of my left mouse button, you can see it's kind of like a cut and paste. It removed it from up top here and pasted it down there. Now, up on my quick access toolbar, here I have an undo button. That will delete my last move, so to speak, or the last action that I performed. If I undo that, undoes my last action. Now, with that drag and drop, that was like a cut and paste. If I wanted to do the copy and paste using the drag and drop method, select your text. I can hold down my control key, then the same way I did it before. Click on the selected text, drag and drop it, and when I let go of my mouse button, it keeps the original there, but you can see it made a copy of it and moved it there as well. All right, so you have your clipboard options for cut, copy, and paste, and you have some drag and drop options for cut, copy, and paste as well. All right, so
Our next video will be activity 1-7 on page 33.